Girls, girls, girls. To be a girl is nothing but a gift from God. Girls, our parents, brothers, and those supporting us are proud of us. But what we do to them is nothing. Sometimes we disappoint them. How blind we are to see our foolishness. To be a girl is nothing but God's gift. What we need is self-control. Oh girls, we are nothing but trouble. Open up your eyes, fellow girls, but not legs. Sugar daddies call us with their attention. Drivers call us with their sweet words. Non-schooling boys call us with their naughty proposals. And we accept them. They make us proud over nothing. How foolish we are. All the pleasure may be short, but the result, the suffering, the humiliation, the expulsion, the pain is for so long. No pain for them, no suffering, no humiliation, no expulsion, but they'll only boast and brag because of us. Girls, open up your eyes, but not legs, and keep them tight until the right time.